Alright, so to do that, what we have to do again, we have to go to the design, and here you see hello guys, press me. Now we need something that is called an edit text. So you will find it in the text field section, and I will pick one plain text from here and I place it here like this. Okay, so it is very small right now. I don't want this thing to be this small, so what I can do, I can click on this icon here to make it big. Okay, so this is our edit text, and we will change a couple of things in here. So the text property and the id property, but we will change this text and id property from the code. So this thing is the edit text. Now the id is et and message. Okay, this is the id, and we will add one more property that is called hint, and the hint will be enter any message here. Alright, so this hint, what this hint will actually do, this will display this hint by default in here, and as soon as you start typing, this will disappear. Alright, now again we have to go to the Java code, and we have to add one more view here. All of these things, these text views, buttons, edit text, are called views. So we will add one more view here, which is edit text. Edit text et message equals to typecasting edit text, find view by id r dot id dot et enter message, and then a semicolon. Alright, now we were setting this text here, which was static, hard coded. Now instead of hard coding this text, we will write et message dot get text dot toString. Now what this will do, as soon as I click on the button, this TV hello, the text on this TV hello will be set from the edit text dot get text dot toString. Whatever message we have put in this edit text will be set in the TV hello. So will it really work? Let's see. Okay, so let's run our application. Audio live, yes. So let me just run this once again. Alright, so selecting this device in here. Let's see the device. Okay, so you see that enter any message here. Let's start typing. I can type with the keyboard. Hi guys, howdy. And now if I click on the press me button, you see that the text is fetched from this edit text and is displayed in here. Let me just change it. How are you doing? Then again, if I click on the press me button, the text is fetched from the edit text, like in the forms, or in the forms that you fill on websites like Facebook form or Google form. While creating a new account there, you get an edit text. So how does it do? They actually, on the click of submit button or sign up button, they actually fetch the data from these fields. Okay, so it's similar to that text box which is called edit text in Android. So if I click again and again, it is fetched from the same thing here, and if I change it again, then it will be fetched from here. Alright, okay, so now the next thing that we will do here, we will learn one more component of Android, which is called a toast message. So a toast message is a very small duration toast or a message which shows up and then goes away. it's like it will tell you something and then it will fade away. So we can do that. Now what we will do, we will remove this edit text from our code. We will completely remove it, delete, and instead of this edit text, we will display our message in a toast. So let me just put this thing in here, like here, and that's it. And here we have removed this thing, TV hello. So it will give us an error sooner or later. So better we should remove it right now, right? And instead of TV hello, we will use something called toast. Let's say toast dot make text, and this thing takes three arguments. The first one is the context, in which we will type get application context. The second thing is the text itself which you want to display. We will leave it empty for now. And the third is the duration, and the duration could be two. You have two options actually, either it could be short or long. The short has a duration of 1.5 seconds and the long one has a duration of 2.5 seconds. You will understand what is this 1.5 or 2.5. So we will put the long short, length short, and in the end you have to call the show method. That's it. Now instead of putting this thing in here, we will put this thing in here. So the message is now will be fetched again from this edit text, but in our scenario, in this scenario, it will be displayed in a toast. And there is one error in our code, which is this TV hello, which does not exist right now. So we will remove it. And the shortcut for removing a line is Control Y. So we just removed it, and now we will run our application once again. Alright, so this was the previous application, and it will get changed to the current one. We click OK. Installing the app, and here we go with the new design, right? And let me just minimize this thing. We are not interested in it right now. So enter any message here, and let me write hi there, and click press me. And you see this is a toast message, hi there, a small pop-up at the bottom which shows for 1.5 seconds and then fades away. So it's like a notification, not the notification, it's like an indication to the user or information to the user that something has happened, right? If I change here, hi guys, how do you do? Then click press me, and you see that the toast message is now displaying, hi guys, how do you do? So now this is showing for 1.5 seconds. If you want to display it for 2.5 seconds, then you can make it long and run it once again. Every time you make a change in your code, you have to rerun your application again. And now again it is running, and there we go. Hello guys, now this is a long toast. It will remain for a little more time. So clicking on press me, it stays for a little bit and then fades away. So the duration of this one is longer than the previous one. So guys, now you know that it is 2.5 second and 1.5 second. For long we have 2.5. What if you want to display a toast message for more than that? Like you want to display a toast message for 50 seconds. And that would not be a great thing, right? You want to display a toast notification or a toast message to a user, or an information message to a user for a couple of seconds, right? And then it should go away. You don't want to stick a 50-second notification, otherwise user will be he will be very disappointed, right? So for now you have only two standard options for now, and you can only display these two durations for now in our toast message. And that's it for the toast message. Alright, okay, so now the next thing that we will do is we will display a list item, and a list which is very common in Android. And in that list we will display some items and we'll do something with that list. So let's move on.